What's going on, y'all? It's the 4th of July, and what did we decide to do? Go shoe shopping at an outlet mall. Not much like I had much of a choice. I'm thankful actually that these places were open. It's the 4th of July, and both girls were complaining about how bad their feet have been hurting. Now, if you've been watching our videos, the girls have been outside a lot, non-stop, having a blast, making friends. I mean, they'd be gone for 12 hours a day, and their feet were starting to show the signs of it. The fact that their shoes were not the right fit, they're wearing out their old shoes. It's like, you know what, let's just get you some new shoes. So two things happened. One of them, we went to New Balance, found some great stuff for Kaylin, but Tanya had some shoes that she wanted to give to Goodwill for a while now. They're nice, they're Hoka 1-1. And we were she got new shoes and was gonna give them away. I made Kaylin put them on because her shoes were soaking wet. I don't know why. And she's finding comfort in them. And she just tried a bunch of shoes on at the New Balance outlet. She's like, I feel like mom's shoes are doing just as good of a job as any of these new shoes. She's like, I'll just wear mom's shoes and save you the money. Hey! And then Kira actually found some slip-on sandals that she loved. And with a discount at the outlet, it was 12 bucks. And I told her, I says, that's actually a really good deal, because if we'd gone to Walmart, they probably would have been 14 to 16. And these are New Balance. So they're gonna be a better quality than the Walmart ones. Huzzah! All right, so we're just out looking for stuff to do. I wish I could have shown you guys the footage. We drove past the $1 Million Beach in Lake George Village. There's nowhere I could have stopped to get out and shown you video footage. That was insane. If you've ever seen ancient pictures of old beaches in New Jersey from the 1900s of everybody on the beach, that's what it looked like. It was nuts. Even in the water, they had ropes around the swimming area. You would have struggled to find a spot to stand in the water. It was insane. I so wish that I could have gone back there and got footage or flown the drone over. The other cool thing is, if you like parasailing, there's a bunch of services out here where you can do parasailing on Lake George. Looks beautiful. We saw at least 8 to 10 parasails out there. Pretty cool. A lot of stuff to do up here. This is definitely an escape from the big cities up here in the New England area. Everybody's coming to Lake George. And I even compared driving down, I think it was called 9N or 9W, non-stop mom and pop little motels up and down, all in great shape. It felt like we were driving on the Highway 1 in Maine. Very cool area. So we're gonna go look for something else to do now. Kaylin kind of wants to walk around the indoor mall because it's actually hot today. Like, we go from cool and rainy to hot, but we're gonna do whatever we can do. The crowds are everywhere. It doesn't matter what we do or where we go, there's gonna be crowds. We're just happy that the girls let us get away. They've been playing non-stop for 3 solid days. I told them today we're leaving the campground. All right, let's go do some more exploring.
What? Spilling.
You goober?
Like, there's not much shaky over there. I think it's just my shoes.
It's a lot of alarms. So we had our holiday dinner at the Golden Corral. It's becoming a trend for us. I think the last holiday dinner we had at Golden Corral was Thanksgiving, right?
I think so.
We can't remember the last time we ate at Golden Corral. We used to do it a lot. We don't see them that often anymore. But it was pretty good. Service was good. They were slamming jamming. It was a nice 4th of July dinner. Like I said, we don't have any family or friends in the area, so that's what we do.
Yeah.
So we're not really sure where to go watch the fireworks because it's jam-packed everywhere. Although it poured rain. That'd be interesting if a bunch of people took off, but they probably all came right back as soon as the rain stopped. So Glen
Falls.
Lake George.
Lake George.
Lake George, they take a barge out on the river or the lake and shoot the fireworks. They have the boat rides we could take, but it would cost us about $100 to get on. They have 3 different boats that leave at 9-ish o'clock. Be cool. I still don't know where we would park.
Dad, show them my new hoodie.
I don't know if they can see all the way in there. It's kind of
Why
dark.
don't you get out and go?
Oh, I can see it. There you go. Another alarm.
Pika, 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 pika. Pika, pika, pika.
I wonder if people are setting stuff on fire already or something. I don't know. We're gonna go pick up a few things at Walmart because it's less than a mile away.
Give me all your squishmallows.
And then we're gonna drive and see if we can see some fireworks.
Kinsley, give me all your squishmallows if you have any.
Kinsley's the girl that's been giving you free clothes?
Yes. She already gave me like the bathing suit, which I forgot to change last night.
Oh my goodness, put it away. Alright, we'll go to Walmart for a little bit. We got about 2 hours until fireworks start going off. I'm starting to worry the mall is fire.
The mall is fire.
The mall is lit on fire. Beautiful sky. Well, it's official. We spent our firework 4th of July in a Walmart. Yeah, I know. That's probably not what you were expecting or what you would have wanted to do. It wasn't all that bad. We've been avoiding fireworks for a couple years now since Kira usually has been scared. She was a little bit more prepared this year, but that's fine. We'll experience some amazing fireworks someday in the future. I will say this, hanging out in a Walmart at night on the 4th of July is probably the most peaceful time to be at a Walmart. I mean, we weren't completely alone, but we had a lot of space to move around and do whatever we wanted. It was pretty cool. As you can see, hopefully I dropped some footage here. We know how to have fun in a Walmart. It's kind of fun we used to have at a Target before Target became dead to us. Yeah, that's right, we don't go to Target anymore, ever. 3 strikes and you're out, Target. We can still hear some fireworks going off, but the closest ones, we could hear big booms from inside Walmart, so that's all right. I will say this for Walmart, you know what, I'll save that for the grocery store video. You'll just have to wait and tune in for my New York grocery store video later. All right, time to head back to the RV park. Maybe we'll catch something booming and crackling on the way home. Well, we didn't catch the fireworks, but we sure did catch the traffic on the way home. We've been sitting in this non-stop traffic for a while now. Just, I guess, people watching. Got some fun stuff here in Lake George. There's been all kinds of people cutting across the road. A lot of people, cars, like, so this is probably the busiest intersection right here. And the people will run the red, blocking our ability to drive forward on the green. That's super awesome. Thanks, y'all. And that's it. Back to red light. Tanya was just saying, where's all like the traffic cops to direct traffic? And I said, didn't New York want to defund the police or something? So we get traffic. And look at all those lights out the Tanya's window. Fun little amusement area right there. Well, it's been a 4th of July. It's been wild, it's been crazy. Last 4th of July we were with my sister and family in Colorado, and they had a lot of good tips about where to go watch the fireworks. And this year we just kind of did our own thing. That's all right.
We walked around in Walmart.
Yeah, we danced in Walmart.
To a car music.
So we had our own fun. And now as everybody starts to settle down and get back to their normal routines, we'll be able to start getting out more and exploring some more when there's hopefully less people.
I want to go to the amusement park right now.
Yeah, it does look like a lot of fun out there.
I want to go back so I can wake up and go play with my friends and be like, guess what? Guess what I did yesterday? And they're like, what you do? I walked around Walmart. Oh, cool. We were just talking about how,
Are you vlogging?
Yeah?
Can I say hi? Hey! Hey! What's your YouTube?
Right down here?
RV Family. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
Happy 4th. Yep. Just us sitting around in traffic. Oh,
They're
great.
turning left.
Yeah, somebody turning left. They gonna let him through? Nope. You see that? That Hyundai up there is like, no, you can't come through.
They're like, well, I'm already out here.
And everybody to my right is cutting across, and we're stuck. We're going home.
Direction are we going?
We're going north.
Okay.
We're going straight.
Let me check my.
And now I'm in the crosswalk. Outstanding. And there's like, look at all these New Yorkers over here ready to cross, and we're blocking the crosswalk.
I'm walking. They're going like.
My brake is, my foot is firmly on the brake. The truck's like, oh my goodness, there's a lot of people. Oh, don't hit them all. Don't hit all the people. Don't hit the people.
Well, all people just stand.
So this person's still stuck there in the middle of the intersection.
That truck could just move up some.
He can't. He's stuck. It'd be hilarious if we're about to get a green light again. Oh, the crosswalk people just got crosswalk. Like just crosswalk. Oh, look at that. They have them like a kitty corner walk out there. See that? There was a motel we saw back here. There's a lot of older classic motels. It was the Windsor Motel, and it said you could stay here and just walk. Look at that. Free and clear, green light.
Oh no. Wait, what? Truck. What is that person doing?
Oh.
What are you doing?
That truck is doing a U-turn. Just in time to block traffic. Good job, Vahukarez.
So many people.
Who cares? His license plate is who cares.
Who cares?
I couldn't see the W right. My eyes are kind of watering.
Who cares?
Who cares? Oh yeah, who cares?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a police car?
Oh, where you been?
What's a police car?
Blocking traffic.
And we got another left turn person. It looks like I can get out and around. Yeah, I just took a yellow. There's the park right there. That's the park where they claim you could go to this park to watch the fireworks. Alright, I should probably end this video and put the camera away.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, everybody, and make sure that you have a nice
Jaywalkers.
We hope you had a happy
Wait,
4th
what?
of July.
Jaywalkers here?
There was jaywalkers here.
Where?
There was jaywalkers here.
We're talking about Ninjago.
Lego Ninjago, the character's name is Jay.
Walker. Where is he? Where?
He's gone, we passed him.
Whoa!
Alright, I'm out of the traffic. I'm out of the traffic!
Oh my goodness.
I need to put the camera down.
Eureka!
The camera down.
Put the camera down! Well, we did it. We made it back home safely. It's nice and cool here. Daisy hasn't torn a hole in through the wall or the door. We were kind of worried she might just completely tear up the RV if the fireworks were too bad and too loud. But so far, everything seems normal, so she's happy to see us. She's happy. We're home! So we gotta take in our stuff from Walmart and walk the dog and get ready for bed. There's a Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Daisy, stay. Oh, I know. You gotta go potty. Come on. Come on up. Come on, go potty. So one of the things that drives me nuts about these holidays is the fact that, like with 4th of July, we're gonna make you stay up late to watch the fireworks show, but then you have to work tomorrow. So you got the day off today, but you have to work tomorrow. Now in Seguin, Texas, where we lived for the last 9 years before we hit the road, they do their fireworks show on the 3rd. Now some people complained about it, they thought that's wrong. To me, that's smart thinking, because what do they know? They know that you have tomorrow off. So now you can sleep in, or you can come to their, what is it? The world's biggest small town parade? Something like that. It's pretty cool. I like it when they think ahead like that. All right, well, I need to go help get stuff ready and settled. Thank y'all for watching our vlog. Sorry we didn't have anything amazing to show for you today. It was just kind of a day of surviving together as a family on the 4th of July. Remember, life happens, even crazy traffic and big massive crowds. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.